Ooh. Good evening, folks. Let's get that squared up. We're on here to the draw for the beer KEG fridge, the apple bundle, the what else is there? I don't want to see. The £1,000, the £5,000, and then the Subaru. So we'll start off tonight with the apple bundle, then do the KEG, and then the 1,000, the 5,000, and the Subaru. Folks, that's the Evo there we just launched there, Evo 9 FQ340, flying. 150 tickets sold there in an hour, so if you want to jump on, grab your ticket for it. It'll not last too long, especially in red. TT8's flying as well. Well, it's not flying, but it's over the halfway marker in 2 days, so maybe bring this timer forward, draw on Friday, get a few more tickets sold. And the twin cam is going well as well. It's due to go on Sunday, but let's say we'll be drawing it before then as well. Nearly at the halfway mark. So we'll start off tonight, as I say, with the apple bundle. So folks, a few clear apple bundles will go ahead here. Fully sold out. Good old time indeed. There we go, 3 minutes past 10, 16th of February 2021. Put it in the range. $449. So first competition is apple bundle. There we go. Gareth Kieran, clear apple. Brilliant. They'll run and clear. Daniel O'Reilly, clear apple. Right, folks, once that's the energy here now, that's the winner of the apple bundle. Thank you and good luck. Lucky number 172. 172 is Julie Norton. Congratulations, Julie. You're the winner of the apple bundle. We'll be in touch straight after this video. 172, Julie Norton. Congratulations, Julie. Move on and do the KEG and the beer setup. So, folks, 39 tickets on didn't sell. If my numbers keep going to get a winner. So, folks, if you clear beer or something along them lines, we'll go ahead here. Everybody likes the beer. There we go. Paul Brennan, clear beer fridge. Good man, Paul. 2, 4. Let's see later. A couple more. Down the really clear drink. And a Dale Bannon, clear beer. Right, folks, once I have the energy here now, that's the winner of the beer. Thank you and good luck. Lucky number 38. 38 is Bridgeen Larkin. Congratulations, Bridgeen. You're the winner of the KEG beer bundle. We'll be in touch straight after this video. We'll check out 38 Bridgeen Larkin. Congratulations, Bridgeen. Move on, do £1,000 for £2.99. Or £1,000 for £20, right? Yeah, a few clear 1Ks, folks. We'll go ahead with the draw for this. Any numbers on it. Clicks here. There you go. Play price clear 1K. Brilliant. Then from 1 to 80. Liam McKay clear 1K. Liam Nolan clear 1K. Right, folks, once hit the energy now, that's the winner of the £1,000. Thank you and good luck. Lucky number 68. 68 is David Reast. Congratulations, David. You're the winner of the £1,000. We'll be in touch here straight after this video. Double check it. 68, David Reast. Congratulations, David, and £1,000. Move on to the £5,000 for £2.99. Fully sold out there as well. A few clear 5Ks, folks. We'll go ahead here. Put her in the range first. 2, 3,000. There we go. Thomas, clear 5k. David, clear 5k. Daniel Ray, clear 5k. Brilliant. Once I hit the entered here now, folks, that's the winner of the £5,000. Thank you and good luck, everyone. Lucky number 774. 774. 774 is Scott Sutherland. Congratulations, Scott. You're the winner of the £5,000. We'll be in touch straight after this video. Just double check it. 774. 774 is Scott Sutherland. Congratulations, Scott. Move on here now and do the Subaru. Fully sold out. Hey. 795 in, so we get a few clear Scoobies, folks. We'll go ahead with the draw for hit. The range here. Not 795, yeah. David Tobin clear Subaru. Liam Nelson STI clear. Kieran Maghera clear Subaru. Jordan Arthur clearly won the Subaru back. Keith Lowndes clear. Brilliant, folks. 1 to 695. Or 795. 795. Once I have generated here now, folks, that's the winner of the Subaru. Thank you and good luck. Lucky number 615. Do, 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 do. 615 is Kieran Martin. Congratulations, Kieran. You're the winner of the Subaru. We'll be in touch here straight after this video. We'll just double check it. 615 is Kieran Martin. Congratulations to Kieran on the Subaru. Congratulations to Scott on the £5,000. Congratulations to David on the £1,000. Congratulations to Bridgeen on the beer KEG fridge. And congratulations to Julie on Apple One. Folks, that's our 5 draws done there for tonight. Thank you all for entering. As I say, we just launched Evo 9. It's flying out the door. 328 is over the halfway mark. We'll bring the timer forward. Hopefully we've drawn it now on Friday. It's absolutely flying. And the 20 grams going the same as well. So folks, there's a lot of stuff on the site. I have a lot of more bundles and stuff to add on tomorrow. We're just getting them made at the minute. So we'll have some nice bundles for you. But that's us for tonight, folks. Thank you and good luck.